Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use Aura Digital Photo Frame, beginner setup guide to adding photos and features. Steps are: take the Aura Digital Photo Frame power adapter and stand out of the box. Then attach the stand to the box of the frame and place it on a flat surface. Then plug the power adapter into the frame and connect it to the wall outlet. Connect for the frame to turn on. Download the Aura Frames app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then open the app and sign in or create a free Aura account. Then tap setup a frame in the app. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the frame to your Wi-Fi network. Give your frame a name such as living room or family frame. Then tap photos in the app. Then select your photos you want to display on the frame. Then add or upload to send the photos to the frame. Then keep the frame connected to Wi-Fi while the photos finish uploading. Swipe left or right on the frame to view different photos. Use the Aura app anytime to add more photos. Invite family members to share pictures. Adjust photo settings to set an automatic sleep schedule from the frame. Thanks for watching.